Welcome. I hope you're all doing great today in this great, big, beautiful world. Welcome to my subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you for subscribing. To the viewers, welcome. Today I am cooking some spinach. It's going to be ITAL and vegan style. And these are the natural ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have approximately 3 pounds of spinach. I am going to go and wash this spinach now. Here it is, all nice and clean. Okay, I'm going to leave it to drip for a little while. Okay, I'm working on the natural seasoning now. So I have 2 stalks of green onions, all washed. I am using 2 cloves of garlic. Half of a red onion. I am using half of a red bell pepper. I'm using half of a yellow bell pepper. The spinach is healthy and nutritious. That's what I'm trying to do, is to cook healthily. I am using 1 medium onion, white onion. The ingredients will be in the description box. I am using 3 tablespoonfuls of virgin coconut oil because it's ITAL cooking. Okay, adding in the natural seasoning. Okay, I'm adding in a bit of water so that I'll be able to steam the spinach. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this to steam for a minute while I dice the tomatoes. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I would appreciate your subscription. Okay, so I am using 2 tomatoes. Okay, I'm gonna add the tomatoes now. I'm gonna leave it to simmer for a few minutes, then I'll be back. Okay, I'm gonna taste this now. There's no salt in it because it's ITAL cooking and they do not use salt. So there's no salt and it tastes really nice. All the flavors of the natural seasoning. Okay, I'm just gonna add the rest of the spinach. It shrinks, so the frying pan is the right size. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I am using half of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, all natural seasoning. I roasted some sweet potatoes today in this skin. The skin is good for you, a lot of fiber in this skin. Yes, my friends, there we have it. Sweet potatoes and spinach. Eating healthily can improve your overall health, your heart health, your digestive system, and boost your energy level. So that's what I like to do, to cook healthily for you guys. I love you all. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Have a great day or night wherever you are. See you next time. Thank you for watching.